Dear student, today topic is about homologous series. What is homologous series? What happens? There are so many different kind of substances, but the similarity is they all have same functional group. Example, if I write CH4, C2H6, C3H8, C4H10. So, what is the similarity between them? Okay, let me explain the similarity. Two similarity I will explain. First similarity is there is a difference of CH2 in the consecutive member. How? 2 minus 1 is 1, okay, so 1 carbon. 6 minus 4, 2, so CH2. So, what is the difference between first and second member? That is CH2. Okay, let us check the difference between second and third member. 3 minus 2, 1. 8 minus 6, 2, CH2. Again CH2 difference. So, the common thing in the homologous series is all the elements, I mean all the compounds, they are at same common difference. Okay. Let us see the definition of homologous series now. A series of compounds, see a series of compounds in which successive members, I mean continuous members, differ from one another by CH2 unit, okay, is called homologous series. Okay, what happens actually? You saw that there is a difference of CH2. Second thing, in other language if I want to say, I will say that there is a difference of 14 unit mass. How? What is the atomic mass of carbon? That is 12, and for one hydrogen 1, for two hydrogen 2. So, 12 plus 2 is what? 14. So, what is the atomic mass difference between the consecutive member? That is 14 unit. Okay. Third thing is they all have same chemical property. This is not the difference, this is a similarity. They have same chemical property. See few examples of homologous series. Suppose question says, write next homologue, okay, next homologue of CH4. Suppose they may ask the question in some other way, like next homologue of this alcohol, that compound. I am taking CH4. So, how to get next homologue of any one? The method is very simple, add CH2. That is it. 4 and 2, 6. So, 6 hydrogen, 1 and 1, 2. So, C2. That is it. See, you got. How to get the next homologue? Add CH2. That is it. Okay. Next question. Next homologue of HCOOH. How to find? What will you add? CH2, that is it. So, if you add CH2, then you will get total carbon 1 and 1, 2, so C2, okay, and total hydrogen how many? 1, 2 and 2, 4, so C2H4, okay, and total how many oxygen? 2 oxygen, so C2H4O2, or same thing you can write in this way, CH3, C double bond OH. See, 2 carbon, 3, 1, 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. Very simple. So, how to find the next homologue? I told you the concept. What is the difference between two consecutive member in the homologous series? CH2 unit difference, okay, or 14 mass difference, okay. So, in this way we completed the homologue part. I hope you understood the lecture. Thank you.